Robert Gibson Jr., owner of Total Auto Body, been in business since 1981. What sets our shop apart? The equipment we have, the training that my employees go through, the care we take for our customers, looking out for their best interest, above and beyond anything else. The role of customer service is top of mind with us. That's the first thing we need to handle all the way through the repair. That's what we strive to set ourselves apart. Our technicians treat every car that they work on as if it was their mom's car or their grandma's car. The repair process is done every car the exact same way, so we get the same results time and time again. We have iCar Gold certified, we're Honda certified, Acura certified, Nissan Infiniti certified, all the Mopar lines, so Dodge, Ram, SRT, Fiat, Hyundai certified. We can handle any car. I think that our customers come back because they know what they can expect here. They know they're going to get a great job, a fast job, get treated like they're a friend, not a customer. So I think that's why a lot of our customers are repeat customers. What I enjoy most about the industry is it's a continually learning process as far as how to repair new cars. I enjoy it. I enjoy the challenge of new vehicles coming out, what we need to do to fix them properly, safely. I would invite people to stop by Total Auto Body. Once you've been to some competitive shops, ask them for a tour, and we'll be happy to show you why we're different, why we're better than everyone else.